Hi everyone, today in maths what we're going to be doing is learning about sharing, and today we're going to be looking at sharing between equal groups. And it's such a nice day that I thought for today's activity I would bring my teddies out for a picnic. So today with me I've got 12 teddies and we're going to go on a bit of a picnic and we're going to practice sharing these guys into equal groups and then also recording our sums. So I've got 12 teddies. We'll just quickly count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops, and one more. Paddington is 12. So we've got 12 teddies, and what we're going to do is we're going to practice sharing them between equal groups, because when teddies go on picnics, they're very particular and they always like to sit in equal groups. They don't like someone being left out or one group being a different size. They always like to be equal sized groups. And you know, it's probably this, you could use teddies today if you like, or if you would rather use Lego or you know, Duplo, or maybe even some figurines, action figurines. You could use that too, but it's just really about sharing between equal groups and remembering that when we do share them, they have to be equal. So today we're going to go on a picnic, and with us we've got some picnic rugs, which I've just got some hand towels to be my picnic rugs, our picnic rugs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to practice sharing them equally. So to share, there's a couple of ways we can go around sharing. You can sort of either share by ones or share by groups. So I'm going to just show you both ways. The first way is I'm going to share by ones. So what I'm going to do, I've got 3 picnic rugs. I'm going to share each teddy. I'm going to share them by one. So I'm going to go 1, sorry if you can't see that, 2 on the middle one, and 3. So now I've got 1 on each picnic rug. Then I'm going to keep sharing. 2, another one, 2, and 3, and I've still got some left, so I just keep sharing by ones. 3, 3, 3, and then I go one more. 1, sorry, Paddington, 2, oh sorry, 3, 4, and 4. So there we go. So I've shared them out between each one, and I've got them on between each rug, and what I want to make sure is that each group is equal. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this rug here with the blues teddy. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this middle one with Flamingo Dotty. Oh, sorry, no, his name is Gilda. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 on Paddington's mat. And so we've shared them by ones, and we've been able to share them into equal groups, giving 1, sharing them by ones. The way we would record that is if I had 12 and I started with that, I would just say 12 shared between, so 12 teddies to start off with, shared between 3 picnic rugs. So I put my 3 here, and then I write how many on each one. That's 4. My next one, so that's one way to do it, is sharing by ones. Another way you can do it is just by sharing by groups, okay? So you don't always have to share by ones, but you still need to make sure that your groups are equal. Let's say this time I'm going to share my 12 teddies, coming over here, come on Thelma, over here, and I'm going to share my 12 teddies between just 2 this time. And rather than going by ones, I'm going to estimate or have a guess and think, well, if I put 5 and 5, that might be equal groups. Well, that'll be 2 equal groups, and that might be it. So let's just see. I'll start off by putting 5 on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 on that one. Sorry, and I'm going to put 5 on the other one. Paddington, 1. Oh, he's not going to stand up. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've shared them equally, and both have 5 on them, but I've got 2 left. So what I'm going to do, so I was sort of sharing by groups. I wasn't quite right, but that's okay, because now what I can do is I can just check. I can put 1 more there, that gives that 6, and that one gives that another one there, that's 6. So now I have 2 groups of 6, and they're equal. So I've shared 12. Another way to write it too, I'll just quickly show you, is 12 shared between 2, because there's 2 TED rugs, is, and this equal sign sort of means the same as is 6. And that's another way you can do it. So you can either share by ones or share by groups. You might have known that it was 6 from the start. Hopefully you did, because of course that's great. But yeah, so either share by ones or share by groups when you're doing this activity, and remembering they have to be equal. Each rug needs to have the same amount of teddies on it. All right, hope you have fun with that, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.